Picture this. It's the end of the month. You open your banking app, check your balance, and after rent, food, subscriptions, and that random expense you forgot about, you're sitting at basically zero. Again. And you tell yourself the same thing you said last month. Next month, I'll start saving. But next month comes, and the cycle repeats. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people aren't broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because they don't have a system. And without a system, money finds somewhere to go, every single time. So in this video, I'm going to show you the realistic path from $0 to $1,000 saved. Not the motivational poster version, the version that actually works, even when your income feels tight. If you're someone who keeps trying to save but can't seem to make it stick, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let's start with something that might surprise you. Your first $1,000 is the hardest $1,000 you will ever save. Not because of the math, because of the psychology. When your savings balance is zero, every dollar feels optional. There's no momentum, no proof that it's working. And your brain, which is wired to prefer immediate rewards over future ones, keeps finding perfectly logical reasons to spend instead. Psychologists call this present bias, the tendency to overvalue what you can have right now versus what you could have later. This is why willpower alone almost never works. You need a system that removes the decision entirely. Here's the framework. 3 stages to your first $1,000. Stage 1. Stop the bleeding. Before you save a single dollar, you need to know where your money is actually going, not where you think it's going, where it actually goes. Go through your last 30 days of transactions and put every expense into one of 3 categories: fixed costs, variable necessities, and everything else. Fixed costs are rent, utilities, insurance. Variable necessities are groceries, transportation, phone. Everything else is where your savings are hiding. You don't need to cut everything. You just need to find 2 or 3 places where money is quietly leaking out. One unused subscription, one habit that costs more than you realize, one spending pattern that's automatic rather than intentional. For most people, this alone frees up $50 to $150 per month without any dramatic lifestyle changes. Stage 2. Make savings automatic and invisible. Here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They try to save whatever's left at the end of the month. But there's almost never anything left because expenses expand to fill available money, always. The fix is simple but counterintuitive. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, automatically move a set amount into a separate savings account before you pay anything else. Not whatever you can afford, a fixed number, even if it's $25, even if it's $50. This works because of a psychological principle called mental accounting. When money is physically separated into a different account, your brain stops counting it as spendable, out of sight, genuinely out of mind. Set up an automatic transfer for the day after your paycheck arrives, then forget it exists. The exact amount matters less than the consistency, because you're not just building a savings balance, you're building the identity of someone who saves automatically. And that identity change is what makes the next $1,000 easier than the first. Stage 3. Accelerate without suffering. Once the system is running, the goal is to speed it up without making your life miserable. Here are 3 levers that work. Lever 1. The 24-hour rule. Before any non-essential purchase over $30, wait 24 hours. Research on impulse spending shows that a simple pause dramatically reduces unnecessary purchases. Most of the time, you simply forget you wanted it. Lever 2, the bonus redirect. Any unexpected money, a tax refund, a birthday gift, overtime pay, goes straight to savings before it touches your regular account. Windfalls feel painless to save because you weren't counting on them. Lever 3, the weekly 5-minute review. Every week, spend 5 minutes looking at your savings balance. That's it. Just look. Studies on financial behavior show that people who regularly monitor their savings progress save significantly more than those who set it and completely ignore it. Watching the number grow creates its own motivation. Now, let's look at what this actually produces. If you find $100 per month in spending leaks, automate $75 per month in savings, and redirect just one $200 windfall, you hit $1,000 in under 8 months, without a raise, without a dramatic lifestyle overhaul, just a system. And here's what most people don't realize until they get there. The first $1,000 changes something, not just your bank balance, your relationship with money. Because for the first time, you have proof that you can do it, and proof is more powerful than motivation. So here's your challenge. In the next 24 hours, do one thing. Go through last month's transactions and find your 3 spending categories. That's it, just step 1. Because the path from $0 to $1,000 doesn't start with a massive decision, it starts with one honest look at where your money is actually going. If this helped, hit subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and comment, "Starting my $1,000," so I know you're actually doing it.